Since I did the video the other day that I released about the Nashville bomb and the FBI not doing their job, um, and I've released other videos about looking into the FBI, looking into the CIA, um, and I support Trump. Um, I support the patriots. I support our Constitution. I want freedom, not this tyranny that we're under. I'm frustrated as much as a majority of Americans are frustrated. Those who've lost their business, those who can't continue to run their business, those who can't pay their bills now and have lost their homes and their everything, people who have committed suicide over this. Um, I'm a fighter, I'm a rebel, and they know it. And they don't like it. They don't want rebels. And this is a control. This is all about control. This is not about a pandemic. This is not about anything other than control. And they are trying to stop us, censor us, shut us up, and make us comply. And, the ones who are rebels, the ones who came over to this country, their ancestors came over to this country to get away from the tyranny that they were under, wherever they were at. Um, And those of us who want freedom, we don't want just freedom for ourselves. We want freedom for everyone. We want freedom for our children. We want freedom for everyone. And we see the tyranny that's happening. We're frustrated. Um, so we're speaking out. I'm going to continue to speak out, even though I know, I know the FBI keeps tabs on me. I have no doubt with that. There's many reasons why I know that. I've been completely kicked off Twitter. I can understand why I'm kicked off Twitter because I'm very outspoken. I'm very much of a rebel, and I'm not scared to die. I have no fear of someone killing me. I've been in situations to where, I've almost died by somebody, trying to kill me. So I dying in itself, yeah, I know everybody's going to die at some point in time. I really don't want to have to lay in a hospital and be sick for, months and months. That would be horrible. I would hate that. And I would not want anyone to have to be in that situation. I don't want anybody to die from this virus that's out there. I don't want that for people, but it's a part of life. I mean, it's been every single lifetime of anybody that's ever lived. They have died. We have died. We will die. It's just part of life. And you know to have to live without freedom is not living, in my opinion. So to have a government who is going to try to shut us up and shut us down by putting masks over our face, by making us stay in our homes, by taking away our rights to work, by taking away our right to even live a happy, fun life, what the point is living at that point in time? And you get to the point to where you're sick of it. You're done with the tyranny. You can see many, many people starting to rise up. And, eventually, FBI, how are you going to control everyone who is rising up and upset and frustrated with all of this? You're not going to be able to control it. So right now, I'm speaking out. You're watching me. You're sending local police to watch me. I see them. They drive by my house. I take my dog to the park. They go and they sit next to my car the whole time I'm walking my dog until I get back, just to let me know that you're there and you're watching me. I don't really care. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm pissed off and I'm going to speak out. And until my voice and speaking out becomes a crime, which it should never be, because that's what America is for. It's for freedom. It's for freedom of speech. And you've got so many you know, Antifa, BLM, all these people that are Democrats speaking horrible things. I mean, look at, you've even got people in your own Maxwell. What is that? What's that lady's name? That lady that was saying to kill Trump supporters, basically. I mean, you've got many, many people on the left side saying that, but yet you're watching silly little tiny citizens who can barely pay their bills. You're watching us because we're pissed off. So what? We're pissed off. We're sick of this shit. And I don't plan on doing anything wrong, but if there is a civil war and there are patriots who are going to stand up and fight, I will stand up and fight with my patriots. I will stand up and fight for my President Trump. And when that happens, if that happens, yes, I will stand up and fight. Until that happens, no. I'm just going to voice my opinion and I'm going to be pissed. But I am going to be outspoken about it. You know, I'm not going to wear a mask when I'm outside. I'm not going to wear a mask driving around in my car. I'm not going to wear a mask in my house. And you're not going to force a vaccine on me. And if you try to, you're going to have to kill me because I'm not doing those things. That's tyranny. Now, when I go into a store, yes, I will put a mask on my face. I don't like it, but I will do it for other people so that they're not scared. I will do it for the people who have to work in those businesses and have a mask on their face all day long. I don't like it, but I'll do it. So, just let me live my life. And if I want to tell you that you're jerks, you're jerks. And I think the FBI, most of you, are probably very corrupt. There's probably some really good guys in there that are trying to do a job, but they're so stifled down by those that are corrupt. How can they even do a good job, right? Same with the CIA. I mean, this whole government system has gotten to be so corrupt, and Trump has shined a light on that. And y'all are pissed off about it. And those who voted for Trump, we are pissed off at you. And if you don't like it, too bad. You're going to have to deal with it. And come get me. Take me to jail. Take me to FBI. Take me wherever you want to take me. I don't really care, but I'm going to speak out because I'm pissed. Send your cops by my house. Send them everywhere. They can follow me around town. If they want to take me to jail, then you guys, I guess, can take me to jail and pay to have me sit in jail. I mean, what's the difference really? I'm not going to have any freedom underneath this new system. So what does it matter? Oh, I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it.